Hey guys, we're demoing one of my favorite concealers today. So it's the NYX Professional Makeup Concealer. So I have this in the shade beige. However, if you take a look at the other shades, they do have other like color correcting tone shades from this line, which are great as well for days that I have like very heavy under eye bags, or if I feel like my veins are showing. They do like a purple, green, yellow. Each of those counteract any kind of opposite color from them. So the green for any redness. So depending on what you're wanting to correct, you can purchase this formula, but in the color correcting tone. So I'm just using the concealer specifically for this video because I mean, I have a bit of bags, but I want to show it just on its own. So definitely gave a good amount of coverage for underneath my eyes without creasing or caking. The formula of it does feel a little bit kind of thicker and almost a little tacky, but then it dries down and looks great. And here's how it is with the rest of my makeup. Check it out.